In this video, we have introduced My Little Pony toys. The 9 pony toys displayed here has been purchased from Amazon. They come in a set named Ultimate Equestria Collection along with the little dragon Spike. He is Twilight Sparkle's friend. Here is the beautiful box in which these toys have been delivered from Amazon. We have put the link below if you want. Just open it to learn more about them. If you like our video, please like, share and comment. Also, please subscribe our channel. Click the bell icon to view the notifications about our new videos.